Can you see that? That is incredible stuff. I don't know if I can lift this up, but no, it gets heavy right there. But you see the stages. Just incredible stuff. Immaculate welds done by Frank Adams. Now, the Fullington boys up at Po Boys Customs, we designed that and built it. It's a 3-stage Z-rack. This truck is far from being complete. I only get to work on it about 5 hours a week. It's just got blocks on it, 4-inch blocks. I'm going to have to raise it up an inch, I believe, because I'm having trouble until I get the hydraulics all the way around it. And I am going to do that. Pins for the cylinders, which is these. There's another one in that box. These are 10s. These are 8s. Got 2 10s and 2 8s. 13-inch OGs, California. Old Chinese, they alright. Recessed. New bumper. Well, that's all new anyway. Whole new front end, as you see. Check this out, though. When I bought this hood off of eBay, shipping company had this thing curled in. The old man, with no body experience, bent it out. Well, he had some, but smoothed it out. New corner lights. I'm not going to worry about a system in this. This is the other car I've got. All hand built. I mean, you know, all restored by myself and my father, of course, at Po Boys Customs. It does sound good. But this is about this. Cut the filler on the gas tank so far. Had to cut that. Shortened up the muffler. Threw a new one on there while it was there. Cut off the brake. Cut off the brake tab here. Run the line on top. On this mount right here for the cylinder, you see that piece in the back there? I don't know. Let me get this flashlight. There it is. You see that plate? There's a plate that's been made. It got put in there in that corner, as you see it, and then it got welded in. Just incredible work. Those dimes. Cut out the shock right here. That's where the old shock went. I hadn't cut that tab out down yonder. I'm going to take this one out eventually. Like I said, we're putting hydraulics all the way around. I'm planning on competing this truck here locally. I'm going to repaint it the same BR2 Pacific Metallic, I think it's called. Nissan color. And as far as the inside goes, I'm going to leave it pretty much what it is. I'm probably going to throw a Pioneer deck in it, but maybe clean up these seats, because all that's got to get cleaned up if you're going to win anything in a show. It's got AC, heat, 96 Nissan hard body, regular cab. I'll keep you updated as we go. I'm hoping this summer now to get busy on this Z-rack. I don't know anything about hydraulics, and I'm doing all this on myself. Watch out there. Got the old Pioneer deck. I might throw that mess in the truck, but it's a tape deck, so I probably won't. Just sell that on eBay. That crap's worth about $300. But here's my hydraulics. Got some CCE heavy duty motors. They're ready to go. I'm gonna only use one pump to run the bed, the 3 stages, just a bunch of dumps. And I'm gonna use the other pump to run the hydraulics around the truck itself. Don't need but 2 pumps. 2 pumps, one pump with 2 dumps on it to run them hydraulics around it. Easy gig. I'm planning on running it on the running it there on the leaf spring up to the frame. That's one option. Or just I could run the old ball cup there welded to the axle. Come up somehow that way. Then you had to cut out the bed. I don't know if I'll do that. Got those old blue neon lights running under it. Had to take a few of them out. I ain't gonna worry about showing you that. Maybe I will show about it. Not worry about it, but show it anyway. They should come on. Let's see. Maybe not. You have to have it to cut on. That's good. Smells good on the inside of it too. I bought this truck from a Mexican up in Atlanta, Georgia. Yes, sir. Now, it didn't look nothing like this. I'll try to load it up when I go loading this video up. It had some old them old Ultra 5-star rims on it. It wasn't lower than nothing. It was a work truck. But thank you for viewing this video, and stay tuned.